Okay. For an examination with integrity, we need to follow this procedure. This method is what has been used, tested, and perfect. We start by inviting students through the official email of the students. And students will go to their official email and will see an invite, just like invitation, Mike Noah, GST Days tests at Saturday, July 18, 2020 by this time. So students should be expecting such mail. The Google Meet link is there. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to accept that and say yes here. You will say, please join with this link and this is my email, and you said yes. When you click on yes, it will open the Google Meet that you will be using for that particular email. Okay, I just say continue, allow. Okay, so it is here. I click on it. It said join the Google Meet, and then I join the Google Meet. Now on your browser, we don't want multiple display of tabs. Every other tab should be closed except the particular location you are going to drag the exam and the Google Meet you are going to use. We don't want you to use double Google Meet. Leave your camera on and unmute your mic. Very essential for this particular exam. So every other thing should be closed beside the Google Meet and the examination. So you go to where again? You join the link and then you open up the location for the exam. I say cbt.aul. If you are using AUL portal for your exam, you are still in the Meet, right? Okay. Now, another major thing is you click on present now for your meal from your Google Meet. Present now. You present your entire screen, not a window, not a Chrome tab, entire screen. Okay, it's asking if it's the whole entire screen. The entire screen, you click yes and you share. All these processes are very, very important for your success today's examination. So you are presenting. And what are you presenting? You are presenting the CBT portal. If you are using CBT, as I said, you close all the other tabs. It will not affect your display. You close all the other tabs. It's only that tab and this particular one. And once you are here, you must click on full screen. I want you to click on full screen. When you click on full screen, fine. So you are ready for this particular examination. This process is very, very important. We will not like anyone to delay others if that particular student did not follow this process. This is basically for CBT portal, and it follows the same way for exam.net portal. in exam.net, you present your exam.net, and you may not actually full screen, because once you log into exam.net, it will full the screen by itself. So I believe we are practicing our typing so that we'll be efficient before the end of the day, before the examination comes up. So full my screen, and you just type your username, and then you type your password for us to be able to start the exam.net. So, to start the CBT. So, you full your screen like this. If you did not full your screen, you will delay others from signing on, from beginning the exam on time. This is remote examination. And the way we want to be seeing your screen, when you full your screen, we will still be seeing you once your camera is on. We'll be seeing you once your camera is on. If you full your screen and your camera is on, we'll still be seeing you. So what we are saying is it is very, very compulsory that you full your screen. On exam.net, if it is exam.net, just go to exam.net and you'll be ready to take your exam. In exam.net, you just put the key that is being sent to you. The key might likely be sent to you through your email, or better still, we might put it in the chat on the Google Meet. You come back to chat, you click on chat here, and then you pick the key to the exam here, and then you come back. Here, you may not need to full your screen because it will full the screen by itself. So you put the key there and you continue. So please, this process is very, very important, because if we don't do it, then we will delay others. The setting of our camera is very, very important, because if you don't set our camera to a passport size and we are fooling the whole thing like this, it will make us to be suspicious, and we don't like suspecting students of exam malpractice. All right, so we want you to share your screen, full your screen, put on your camera, and unmute your mic. Once that is done, we all will be ready for examination within a short period. So these are very, very important. The other things we need to take note of is that we need to have a very good internet device. If you are using phone, make sure you are using 4G phone. And if you are using the 4G phone, must also be equipped with 4G SIM. So make sure you have 4G SIM, 4G phone, and you are ready for this examination. I wish you all good luck.